नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका फिर से मेरे YouTube चैनल पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हमारा टॉपिक है इंडिया लोकेशन एंड फिजिकल फीचर्स और ये टॉपिक मोस्टली 8 और 9th में होता है, लेकिन आई ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू मेक इट वेरी सिंपलर so that everyone can understand this topic. So let's begin without wasting any time. So, India location and physical features. To study the location and physical features, we must know what is India. India is a country everyone knows, but let us know more about India. The official name of India is Republic of India. What is the official name of India? Republic of India. It is Republic of India. Means most of the documents which are signed for the India are by the name Republic of India. It's a country in the South Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world, and where it is located? In the south of Asia. Okay. And it is the second most populous country. Second most populous. First populous China, because it has the most number of people, or the population of China is means you can say more than India. That's why it is first. Okay, so world populous country is China. Second is India. The seventh largest country by the land area. The area. What is the area of India? We'll know after this slide. What is the area of India? Okay. So I will tell you which is the first largest country land area. That is Russia. Canada. Second is Canada. Third is China. Then fourth is USA. Fifth is Brazil. And sixth is Australia. Now seventh is our India. Okay. I think this much everyone has understood. Let's start after this. And the most populous democracy. What is a democracy? This is a word, keyword, democracy. Democracy, you can say where the people have right to elect the leader of India or the president of India. You can say leader of India. Means it is the people of India which are above the age of 18 given the right to vote. So this is democracy. Means the leader of India is chosen with the voting. The voting is done where every person, each and every person of India votes. Each and every person of India votes. Okay. So it is most populous and popular democracy in the world. It is popular also and populous democracy also, means largest number of population in democracy. But China is not a democratic country. You can say it is a hereditary country. Okay. So let's begin with a new slide. India, why is India so famous in the world? Let's start. India is famous for its ancient history. Okay, ancient पुराना इतिहास जिसको कहते हैं. Varied landscape. It has number of landscape and a diverse culture. अलग-अलग culture है यहाँ पर. India is the cradle of human race. It is a cradle of human race and the birthplace of human speech. The human speech birthplace in India. The mother of history. जननी है, इतिहास की क्या है? जननी है इंडिया. The grandmother of the legends, grandmother of legend, and the great grandmother of tradition. Great grandmother of what is India? India is the mother of history, grandmother of the legend, and great grandmother of tradition. Okay, I think it must be clear. Okay, let's begin with another slide. So, if we are studying India location and physical features, first of all, we should know the what is the extent from north and south and east to west of India. It is important. Let's start. India measures from north and south. You can see over here. Wait, I'm showing you. See, this is north, okay, and this is south. What is north and south? 3,214 kilometers. Okay, 3,214 kilometers north to south. This is north and this is south, and you can say over here it is written as 3,214. Okay, and east to west. What is east to west? That is 2,933 kilometers. Okay, 2,933 kilometers. Now, what is the extent of India? Okay, the extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north. From here you can see this is 8 degree. Over here you can see 8 degree, and this is 8 degree 4 minutes, because we have divided this whole into division, subdivision. So over here 4 minutes we are saying. 8 degree 4 minutes, not 2. 37 degrees 6 to 37 degrees 6 minutes. You can see this is 36. So it is 37 degrees 6 minutes. 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Latitude. So latitude means lati. You can say over here they are latitudes now. They are lati. So they are latitudes over here. Also this line is lati. So this is latitude. Now the second is 68 degrees 7 minutes east. So this is 68 degree 7 minutes east. And over here 97 degree. You can say 96 is here. So it is 97 degree 25 minutes east. So you can see they are long. See my cursor, you can see they are long. They are going long. So they are longitude. Over here you can also see 68 is there. So they are moving like this. So they are long. Okay, they are long. You can see over here they are long. So they are longitude. So what is the extent? The extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. North latitude, they are north lati, so latitude, and 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Okay, it's longitude because they are long. And it is the 7th largest country in the world. What is the total? It's important. Total area of India. What is? This is 32,87,263 square kilometers, not meters, kilometers. It must be remembered. 32,87,263 square kilometers. Let's begin with another slide. This is our last topic for this video, because we'll start physical feature in another video, because it is a big topic, physical features. So this is a political map of India, as you can see in this slide. It is a political map of India. So let's talk about the political divisions. What is the political division? India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, is it clear? It is divided, first of all it was 29 states and 7 union territories, but now it is 28 states and 9 union territories, because Jammu Kashmir is divided into Ladakh and this Jammu and Kashmir, they are both a union territory. Okay, they are union territories. Okay, so 9 union territory and 28 states are there. So which is the largest state by the area wise? Everyone knows this is Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan. Or which is the smallest? You can say Goa, where most of the people from outside also, foreign also, and from India also, most of the people visit Goa for the holidays, and foreigner people also visit Goa for as a tourist destination. So this is Goa as the smallest state. And which is the most populous state? That is Uttar Pradesh. What is the population? It is 23 crore. The population mostly it is 23 crore. This much is there. I have made this video for only location and political division. The second video will be for you can say physical features, and I hope you like this, and please subscribe, like and share this video so that my little knowledge can be um, shared to most of the people and they can know about India. Okay, and thank you for all your supports. Thank you very much for all your support. Because of your support I got 145 views in my first video in one day and 33 subscribers. It's great for me. Thank you very much.